Sharing Walmart Plus with the family is pretty easy to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you can share Walmart Plus with a family. So for that, as you can see, I'm at the Walmart application now here. I would suggest you just do not share the login credentials of your account with your family, and you all will be able to use it with the same time without having any problems. So if I go to my account, I will easily be able to go to my personal information, and I will easily be able to see the email, and I will easily be able to change the password as well. After doing all of this stuff, what you have to do is you have to give these login credentials to your family, and they have to log in with the same account. Afterwards, you all can use this account without having any problems. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this what I have for